In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the URL on Google Sites. This process is straightforward and ensures that your site reflects your personal or business branding needs. We'll walk through each step to make this change quickly and efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google site. Once you're there, you'll need to look for the Publish button, prominently displayed at the top right of your screen. Next to this button, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click on this arrow to reveal a list of options related to your site's publishing settings. This is where you can manage how your site is viewed and accessed. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Publish Settings. Go ahead and click on this. Doing so will open a window that displays various settings about your site's online presence. It's important to remember that these settings are where you control how people find and access your site. So any changes you make here will directly affect how your audience interacts with your site. Once you are in the Publish Settings area, you'll notice a field that shows your current web address. This is your opportunity to update your site's URL to something more memorable, relevant, or aligned with your branding strategy. Take some time to think about the perfect web address, something unique, easy to remember, and reflective of the content or purpose of your site. Begin editing the web address by clicking into the field and typing your desired changes. Keep in mind that your URL needs to be distinct and original. If someone else has taken the name you want, you might need to get a bit creative. This is your chance to personalize your site to really make it stand out. After typing in your new web address, make sure to double check it for any spelling mistakes or unwanted characters. It's always a good idea to preview your changes if possible, ensuring everything looks exactly as you want. Remember, a professional, sharp web address can make a significant difference in attracting visitors or customers to your site. Now that you've nailed down the perfect web address, it's time to save these changes. Look for the Save button, which will be somewhere on your settings screen, usually towards the bottom. Click this button and your site will update with your new URL. This step finalizes everything, so make sure you're completely happy with your new address before you save. And there you have it, just a few simple steps and you've successfully changed your Google site URL. This not only better aligns with your brand, but also helps convey a more personalized touch to anyone visiting your site. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks on enhancing your online presence.